Where is it? What? God's sake. If you can't find it, let's just walk back up to near the fuel depot. We've not got a strike for it, have we? Is it anywhere? What? Ah, bet somebody's nicked it. Yes. Let's have a walk up to Kill House, mate. See what we can find on the tree. Oh, god damn it. Yeah. Mate, it's actually pretty dark in here today. It's pretty good though. Fuel depot's looking pretty sweet. What the f is that? Hey mate, is that it? No?
No.
What's that? Did you hear it banging up here? Somebody must be outside.
Kids.
Kids. Potheads.
Show when I got a gun.
Yeah, I know. One day we don't bring a gun up. Sounds low, ain't it, mate?
I know.
We keeping that line up then? Must be.
Famous kill house.
Famous Kill House, mate. Anybody in here? Who's there? Go on. What the f was that?
That did not sound
That. What the? Go check it out, mate.
Oh! There's running up! Run! Run! Who the f are you? Shoot him!